So I cutting the root, and now I propagate into the pot with the soil. So after 2 days, so now I start to grow in on the ground. So now I start to grow it. So this taro I grow near the corn, the sweet corn. So sweet corn is faster than the taro. So I grow like this. So this is the taro baby. So I cannot grow on the ground. So from one to another is 50 centimeter because taro leaf is bigger than the corn. So very easy growing the taro and simple way. This taro grow from propagating, from cutting. After growing the taro on the ground, so I watering on my taro plant. So watering and regular watering is very important for the plant. This taro start to grow, and I have grow on the ground near the sweet corn as well. So this is the sweet corn. So they start to grow up, and I have grown more than 20 as well for the taro plant. This my taro plant I have grown on the ground last month, and now they growing up very fast. And this taro will have the bulb and root soon. Very nice, very nice. I will harvest after 200 days. The leaf is very big. This taro plant is very big, develop very fast here. Very nice, very green and fresh. My taro now are growing very tall and very green. And this taro, I hope it will have a lot of root. See, the leaf is big. very big. My taro now are growing very tall, and the leaf is very big here. When I grow only one plant like this, but now there's many. This bunch is almost 10 or more than 10, and I will top up the soils to make the taro root ball is bigger. The root ball is from this area, from this, and the root is up, not deep inside the soils. So I need to top up the soils to cover the root ball, and the root ball will be bigger and bigger. This taro I will harvest in 180 days. My taro plant I have grown since April. Now it's September. This taro plant will be harvested in another 2 months, and I need to top up the soils at the bottom, because the rooting will be up at the bottom here. The rooting will be come out up. I will top up the soils to make my taro root is bigger and bigger. So I will start to top up the soil like this. Watering. Today I harvest my taro. So my taro is 180 days old. Now the bottom leaf is start to yellow here. So mean that my taro has the root. It's time for me to harvest. Very big taro plant. Wow, the big leaf here. Today I harvest my taro. This is the giant taro. So I will harvest it now. Very big. Harvesting, I got a giant taro here, the very big taro, and then after this one and third this one, and this taro is 180 days old. Thank you for watching my gardening video. Please subscribe, like, share to your friends. Bye, see you next video.